My name's Glacken. I'm an executive consultant at Snowdon Optiro here in Perth, Western Australia. I'm responsible for preparing and presenting a lot of the Snowdon Optiro training courses. So, resource estimation and evaluation. This would be our flagship course. It goes for 5 or 4 days. It's really designed for geologists that are either starting in resource estimation or restarting in resource estimation or would like a refresher. We go essentially through the whole resource estimation value chain, from collecting the data, sampling and QAQC, geological modelling, domain modelling, data analysis, geostatistics, estimation, validation, classification, and so on. It's a very practical course. There's lots of activities based on either your data or on our own set of data that we'll provide to you. And it's a very comprehensive training course. For this course, we give you a 1-month free license of supervisor, which enables you to work through the activities and practice what you've learned.